What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing how I achieve my color blend box braid look using 4 different colors. These are the colors that I went with. Okay guys, as you could see, I already completed the back half of my hair and I did not use the elastic band method for the back. I'm only using it for the top half of my hair. I love the result of elastic band method, but it's way too time consuming and tedious to do my entire hair with the elastic. So I decided to do half and half. Using the 2 strands from the braiding hair, I use my hair as the 3rd strand so I could plait or braid the hair. And I'm going to put the braiding hair above the elastic so it's not showing. Once you're finished braiding your hair, go ahead and soak it in some hot water so it could loosen up the hair, softens up the hair, and give it a more finished look. This is the finished look guys. It came out really nice. As you could see, I'm excited. I love the look. I was a bit nervous about the white color. This was my first time wearing such light color, so I didn't want to put too much in, but I think this blend is perfect. I love it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below and let us know what colors you're excited to try next. Hopefully you've been inspired to go ahead and try those colors that you've been avoiding. You may end up loving the results. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.